The FB file type is typically a backup created by the Slim backup utility or a fallback file. It's an archive. You can try treating it like a zip file, or you need the original Slim backup tool to restore it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to extract it. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest FB files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. The FB file extension is associated with Slim and Backup, a utility designed for creating backups of system files, settings, and user data. These files serve as archives, allowing users to restore their systems to a previous state in case of data loss, system failures, or other unforeseen issues. They are crucial for data protection and disaster recovery. The FB file format is proprietary to Slim and Backup. It typically contains a compressed archive of selected files and directories, along with metadata necessary for restoring the backup. The format is optimized for efficient storage and retrieval, ensuring that backups can be created and restored quickly and reliably. The internal structure is specific to Slim and Backup's implementation. The FB proprietary design mandates association with Slim from Serge Voskoboynikov. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows exposes only limited internal information, meaning full interpretation depends on the generating tool. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your FB file and choose Open With. Test Slim. First, if it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If you cannot access the FB file, no problem. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, deep scan with 7-zip. Open 7-zip, navigate to the .fb file, right-click it, and select Open Inside. 7-zip has a vast library of legacy headers and might be able to read the archive even if Windows can't. Next, check the version. Slim had several major versions, e.g. Slim 0.02, Slim 2.1. If one tool doesn't work, you might need the specific version of Slim X that originally packed the file. Finally, DOSBox emulation. If you can find the original Slim XE, often found on abandonware or driver archive sites, run it in DOSBox. Use the command slim x file name .fb to try and extract the contents. When every program on your system rejects your FB file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same 3-letter label for different things. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the FB label is unclear or shared. Forget manual fixes. FileMagick is the universal solution I recommend for the FB format. Get your copy at filemagick.com. We've finished today's solution. Like and subscribe to be notified about the next video in this series. Stay tuned for more expert solutions next week.